New York City, often referred to simply as New York, is one of the most vibrant and influential metropolitan cities in the world. It is known for its diverse culture, iconic landmarks, and bustling atmosphere. New York City has the most exciting travel spots and offers the best dining experience for everyone. It is a global hub for finance, culture, fashion, media, and commerce. Now let's look at 10 days suggested itinerary to tour New York City. On day 1, visit the famous Midtown Manhattan in the morning. Enjoy the vibrant Times Square with massive digital billboards and advertisements that light up the square 24/7. Browse through many flagship stores like the M&M's World, the Disney Store. In the afternoon, walk to Rockefeller Center and go to the top of the Rock Observation Deck for great views of the city, and to finish the day, see a Broadway show in the evening and enjoy fine dining. On day 2, explore Central Park in the morning. Rent a bike or take a leisurely stroll through Bethesda Terrace, Bow Bridge, and the Central Park Zoo. In the afternoon, visit the Metropolitan Museum of Art known as the Met. And in the evening, enjoy dinner at a nearby restaurant on the Upper East Side. On day 3, visit Lower Manhattan and check out the iconic Statue of Liberty in Ellis Island. Take a ferry from Battery Park. In the afternoon, walk around the financial district and see Wall Street, the New York Stock Exchange, and the Charging Bull statue. In the evening, visit the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. On day 4, visit Brooklyn in the morning and walk across the Brooklyn Bridge and in the Brooklyn Heights Promenade. In the evening, have dinner at a trendy restaurant in Williamsburg or Park Slope. On day 5, check out the American Museum of Natural History. In the afternoon, explore the nearby Upper West Side or visit the Lincoln Center for a glimpse of New York City's performing arts scene. On day 6, visit the Greenwich Village and Washington Square Park and enjoy the bohemian atmosphere. In the afternoon, wander through Soho and its art galleries and boutiques. Enjoy lunch at a local cafe. In the evening, explore the nightlife in the village or check out a jazz club. On day 7, visit the Harlem in the morning and visit the Apollo Theater and explore the neighborhood's rich cultural history. In the afternoon, travel to the Bronx to visit the Bronx Zoo or the New York Botanical Garden. Return to Manhattan and relax at a nice restaurant or lounge in the evening. On day 8, visit the Museum of Modern Art to see contemporary works of art. Explore Midtown East, including Grand Central Terminal and the New York Public Library. In the evening, take a dinner cruise around Manhattan to enjoy the skyline from the water. On day 9, visit the High Line in the morning, and enjoy the art installations and gardens. In the afternoon, explore Chelsea Market for lunch and shopping. On day 10, revisit any favorite spots or explore any missed attractions. In the afternoon, relax in one of New York City's many parks or cafes. Finally, to end your 10 days tour, enjoy a farewell dinner at a top restaurant with a view. The Statue of Liberty. It is special for several reasons, both in terms of its symbolic significance and its historical and cultural impact. It is a beacon of freedom. The statue is a powerful symbol of freedom, democracy, and human rights. It represents the values of liberty and equality that are central to the American ethos. Times Square. It is one of the most iconic and recognizable locations in New York City in the world. Times Square is renowned for its massive electronic billboards and advertisements. It is also known for its many entertainment options, including musical performances, street performers, and vibrant nightlife. Central Park. It is a sprawling urban oasis in the heart of Manhattan, New York City, and is renowned for its vast green spaces, diverse recreational activities, and iconic landmarks. It is more than just a green space in a bustling city. The Empire State Building, one of the most iconic skyscrapers in the world and a symbol of New York City, continues to be a testament to architectural and engineering prowess, serving as a major landmark and a popular destination for visitors from around the globe. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, commonly known as the Met, is one of the most prestigious and comprehensive and one of the world's great art museums and continues to be a vital cultural institution. Fifth Avenue is one of New York City's most iconic and prestigious streets, renowned for its luxury shopping, cultural landmarks, and historical significance. Fifth Avenue has long been synonymous with luxury, culture, and history. Its status as a major commercial and cultural hub contributes to its global reputation and makes it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring New York City. The Brooklyn Bridge is one of New York City's most iconic landmarks, celebrated for its historical significance, architectural marvel, and stunning views. It remains a testament to the vision and perseverance of its designers and builders. It stands as a vital transportation link, a historical monument, and a beloved icon of New York City. Rockefeller Center is a renowned complex in Midtown Manhattan, New York City, known for its Art Deco architecture, cultural significance, and vibrant public spaces. It stands as a testament to architectural and artistic achievement, embodying the spirit of New York City through its design, cultural contributions, and public spaces. Broadway and the Theater District. Catch a world-class Broadway show and soak in the vibrant theater scene of this renowned entertainment district. It is at the heart of New York City's performing arts scene. 9/11 Memorial and Museum. Located at the World Trade Center site in Lower Manhattan, is a poignant and powerful tribute to the events of September 11, 2001, and the impact they had on the world. The High Line, a unique elevated park built on a historic freight rail line, offering beautiful gardens and city views. One World Observatory. Located atop One World Trade Center, this observation deck offers sweeping views of NYC and beyond. The American Museum of Natural History, a fascinating museum featuring exhibits on everything from dinosaurs to outer space. Grand Central Terminal, an architectural gem with a stunning celestial dome, famous for its bustling concourse and historic significance. Greenwich Village, a charming neighborhood known for its bohemian vibe, historic buildings, and vibrant dining and nightlife. Soho, a trendy district famous for its cast iron architecture, upscale boutiques, and art galleries. Chinatown, a vibrant neighborhood with excellent Asian cuisine, bustling markets, and cultural experiences. The Bronx Zoo, one of the largest metropolitan zoos in the world, featuring diverse animal exhibits and lush green spaces. Coney Island, a classic amusement destination with a boardwalk, beach, and iconic rides like the Cyclone roller coaster. The New York Public Library, an architectural marvel with a vast collection of books and historic rooms, including the Rose Main Reading Room. Museum of the City of New York, focuses on NYC's history, culture, and urban development, with engaging exhibits and collections. The Guggenheim Museum, designed by Frank Lloyd Wright, this museum features modern and contemporary art in a striking cylindrical building. The Met Cloisters, a branch of the Metropolitan Museum of Art dedicated to medieval European art and architecture, set in a beautiful Gothic-style building in Fort Tryon Park. Ellis Island, a historic site and museum dedicated to the immigrant experience, with exhibits in the Ellis Island National Museum of Immigration. Washington Square Park, a lively park in Greenwich Village, known for its iconic arch, street performers, and vibrant atmosphere. Chelsea Market, an indoor market offering a variety of gourmet foods, artisanal products, and unique shops. The Whitney Museum of American Art focuses on American art from the 20th and 21st centuries, with a dynamic collection and a striking new building in the Meatpacking District. Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts, a major cultural complex hosting opera, ballet, music, and theater performances. Roosevelt Island, a small island in the East River offering beautiful views, parks, and attractions like the Franklin D. Roosevelt Four Freedoms Park.
Are you tired of wandering around aimlessly in search of a decent meal while on vacation? Picture this. You're strolling down the bustling streets of a new city, stomach growling, and every restaurant you pass seems either too touristy or too questionable. Frustrating, right? But fear not, fellow foodie adventurer. Enter Global Eateries, your ultimate culinary compass in the sea of unknown dining options. No more relying on random chance or settling for mediocre meals. With Global Eateries, discovering the perfect dining spot is as easy as a few clicks. Imagine this scenario. You're exploring a charming cobblestone street lined with quaint cafes and lively bistros. Instead of playing a guessing game with Google Maps, you simply whip out your phone, punch in the street name, and voila, a curated list of top-rated restaurants right at your fingertips. No more guesswork, no more disappointment. And here's the best part. Signing up is not only free, but also comes with a slew of exclusive perks and gifts. Yes, you heard that right. From special discounts to insider tips, we've got your back when it comes to culinary exploration. So why wait? Embark on your next gastronomic adventure with confidence, courtesy of Global Eateries. Your taste buds will thank you. Visit us now at globaleateries.com and let the feasting begin.